I was in the hype of growing, expanding. And then one year, I lost everything. And because of that loss I had, I managed to have the opportunity to be connected with the true me and find my mission. Between 1995 and 2000, I was running a startup based in Taiwan, and we expanded to China. The company started with 2 co-founders, and in a couple of years, we had 250 people. I left the company I co-founded because I believed that this decision would prevent the unnecessary conflict when the company at that moment needed solidarity. Because of that, I came to the UK, I started a new life, and I built the new set of friends. Had that not had happened, I would not have been here, and I would not have British children. So, I really didn't lose anything. At the beginning, when the children were very young, they responded when I spoke Chinese. And then they realized that actually, most people, they speak English. So they started refusing. I saw that they were not interested in learning Chinese. And after searching for solutions, I couldn't find any. So I started drawing on notebooks, and then I started using my computer to show what the character means. Each character is like a piece of art. After breaking down thousands of Chinese characters, I discovered there are only about 70-80 building blocks. If you know those 70-80 building blocks, you can construct hundreds and thousands of characters. I had the vision in my mind. The type of illustrations has to be something universal, something striking. They have to look like what the character means, and something that everybody from different cultural, linguistic background can understand. After I showed a couple friends the method I developed, I decided to do a Kickstarter campaign. We tried to raise 75,000, and we ended up with 195,000, 197,000 pounds. This is really not just about learning Chinese. The mission for Chinesey is to bridge the gap between the East and the West, because our future depends on our ability to bring the East and the West together in a peaceful and productive relationship. My children have been my inspiration from the beginning. We started with a napkin. Now we have games, apps, and publications available in over 19 languages in 30-something countries. Without going through this process, it's hard to understand. When bad things happen, you never know. There's another door that could open for you. I don't have a job. I have a mission.